10 Easter recipes that will have everyone asking for seconds. Easter is a time for family, friends, and delicious food. If you're looking for some mouth-watering recipes to make this Easter extra special, you're in luck. In this video, we'll share 10 amazing Easter recipes that will have everyone asking for seconds. Before we dive into today's exciting video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest explorations and interesting facts. 1. Honey-glazed ham. Start with a classic Easter dish, a perfectly cooked honey-glazed ham. The combination of sweet and savory flavors will leave your guests wanting more. 2. Herb roasted lamb. For a more traditional option, try herb roasted lamb. The aromatic herbs and tender meat make this dish a showstopper. 3. Deviled eggs. Deviled eggs are a must-have for any Easter celebration. Get creative with the fillings, think bacon and cheddar, or even avocado and smoked salmon. 4. Spring vegetable tart. Celebrate the season with a vibrant spring vegetable tart. Made with fresh, colorful vegetables and a flaky crust, this dish will add a touch of elegance to your Easter table. 5. Creamy scalloped potatoes. Indulge in creamy scalloped potatoes, a rich and comforting side dish that pairs perfectly with ham or lamb. 6. Glazed carrots. Bring out the natural sweetness of carrots by glazing them with a honey or maple syrup-based sauce. It's a simple yet delicious way to elevate this humble vegetable. 7. Lemon blueberry bundt cake. For a delightful dessert, try a lemon blueberry bundt cake. The tangy lemon and sweet blueberries create a refreshing combination that's perfect for spring. 8. Hot cross buns. No Easter is complete without hot cross buns. These spiced, fruit-filled buns are deliciously soft and make for a great breakfast or snack throughout the day. 9. Roasted asparagus. Embrace the flavors of the season by roasting fresh asparagus with olive oil, garlic, and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. 10. Easter nest cookies. Finally, get the kids involved with Easter nest cookies. These adorable treats combine crunchy chow mein noodles, chocolate, and mini eggs for a whimsical dessert. With these 10 mouth-watering Easter recipes, your celebration is sure to be a hit. Whether you're hosting a small gathering or a big feast, these dishes will impress your guests and leave everyone asking for seconds. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations and interesting facts.